So we just went and picked this up last night at our Home Depot. We bought it online and we're just doing a review and how we think it is. We just put it together, put the gas and oil in, and what we have here is the Champion Power Equipment 338cc, and let's see what it does or how it does.
Hopefully 1 or 2 more calls.
Is your headphones on?
I feel like the wood chipper will do exactly what we need it to do. Almost everything that's brush has gone through it without a problem, so I'm happy with it.